Hello, everyone. Today, I'm sharing a recipe for garlic shrimp that can be eaten with the shell on. Start by adding an appropriate amount of water to a bowl. Then add a spoonful of table salt. This way, washing the shrimp can clean off any dirt and also sterilize them. After cleaning the shrimp, use scissors to cut off the shrimp legs. Then remove the shrimp heads. And finally, squeeze out the innards and pull out the shrimp line. I'll demonstrate again. Start by cutting off the shrimp legs. Then remove the shrimp heads. And finally, squeeze out the innards and pull out the shrimp line. This method of preparing shrimp is very quick and clean. After cleaning all the shrimp, we wash the shrimp. Add a spoonful of salt to a bowl. Then add an appropriate amount of water. This can clean off any remaining innards. Then pour an appropriate amount of water into the bowl. Rinse the shrimp again. Then remove them and set aside. Place the shrimp on a cutting board. Use a knife to break the prawn back of the prawn. Cut them open like this. This is also convenient for our next operation. It also makes the shrimp very flavorful when cooked. After cutting them all, put them in a bowl and set aside. Next, prepare a piece of ginger. Slice it thinly. Then julienne it. Also prepare some green onions and cut them into sections. Put the julienne ginger and chopped green onions into the shrimp. Add a spoonful of ground pepper to the bowl. Add a little cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Then squeeze the juice out of the ginger and onions with your hands. Mix well. Marinate for 10 minutes. After marinating the shrimp for 10 minutes, remove the ginger and onions and pick out all the shrimp. Put the selected shrimp in a bowl and set aside. Next, prepare some garlic cloves. Crush them with a knife. After crushing, chop them into minced garlic. Divide the minced garlic into the portions and put them in a bowl. Finally, prepare the stalks of scallions. Cut into scallions. Put the chopped scallions in a bowl and set aside. Heat the pan and add cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimp. But don't flip them immediately. Fry until the shrimp turn golden brown. Then, flip the shrimp over. Stir-fry the shrimp over medium heat. Fry for about 2 minutes. After all the shrimp change color, remove the shrimp and set aside. Heat the pan again and stir-fry the minced garlic. Stir-fry a bit longer. Fry until slightly yellow. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce to it. Add a spoon of oyster sauce. Continue to stir-fry evenly. Stir-fry until aromatic. Add the shrimp back into the pan. Stir-fry evenly. Add an appropriate amount of water. The water level should just cover the shrimp. Add a small spoon of salt and a spoon of sugar for flavor. Continue to stir-fry evenly. Stir-fry for about 3 minutes. Cook the shrimp until well flavored. When the time is up, add the remaining minced garlic. Keep stirring it evenly. Add a small amount of water starch. Continue to stir-fry evenly. Rub the soup evenly over the prawns. Thicken the sauce. Before serving, sprinkle with chopped scallions. Stir-fry a few times. The garlic aroma will be strong. Put it on the plate and you can enjoy it beautifully. This garlic shrimp is delicious and tender. The garlic flavor is rich. Try making this dish for your family soon. It's really delicious. If you like it, bookmark the recipe and give it a try.